Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your video background from this to this. So I don't want to waste much of your time. If you are here on this channel and you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video. And if you find this video helpful, kindly drop your comments in the comment section. So let's get into the full video tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is to download Leonardo.ai app on your phone, or you can just go to your Chrome browser and log into your if you have not created an account before, just create an account. It's free, so you can create a free account on Leonardo.ai, or you download the app and sign in. So once you do that, once you log into the app, the first thing you're going to do is to come down to the image creation. Just click on image creation. Let me show you. This is your image. Click on this image creation. Then come to this side. So we are going to make some changes here. If you don't see this side, just come to settings. It's going to break it out. So once you here, make sure your style is make sure it's on auto prompt enhance. This style you can let it be on dynamic. So let's leave it on dynamic. If you want to generate 3D pictures, you can also just click on the arrow button and click on 3D. So I want to put it on dynamic. Then this size, if you are using you for YouTube, we are using 16.9, so I'm going to put it on 16.9. So you can number of images. If you want it to generate 2 images or 4 images, but let me leave it at 4 images. So those are the settings you need to set. So once you get a, then you are going to, so if you want to generate a okay, this is for a background for your video. So if you want to generate a background for your video, so what you need to look at the prompts I used to generate this background. Generate a house with inside lovely bedroom with a desk and a table inside and a laptop on the table. So this is the background I use for my videos on YouTube. So once you put in this prompt, just click on generate and it's going to generate this different background. So you pick the one, then you click on it, then you click on download button. Very easy, simple and straightforward. So just click on it. Let me show you the download button. So you see the download button here. So that is this download button here beside this cancel button. So you just click on the download button and it's going to be downloaded to your, we can see it's been down. So I already downloaded it on my phone. So that is how to download your video background. So anything, if you want to download image, you can also download image from it. So let's go to the next step. So after you are done downloading your background from Leonardo, the next thing is you come to your InShot app. So I'm going to click on video. So I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to bring in the background I want to use. So I'm going to add photo. So I'm going to use this background. Then I'm going to click the mark button. So from here we can see that we have InShot logo here, the watermark. So we don't want that watermark to be showing on our video. So what I'm going to do is to click on the InShot. There's on InShot there is this cancel button there. So click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to, you click on free remove. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button now. Just take a few seconds by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. So let's continue. Okay, so now the next thing for us is to go to PIP. So when you are talking about PIP, PIP is like an overlay. So when you are using CapCut or KineMaster, you are using overlay. So I'm going to click PIP. Then I'm going to bring in the video I want to use. So I have my video here. So I'm using that video. So now the next thing is for us to remove the video background. Let me just play it so that you can see. So you can see that it's a video. So although I'm not saying anything, so what you are going to do is, once you upload your video, then you drag this background. You see this is your background. just click on the mark button. Then you see this background. Make sure you drag it to the end of the video. Do you understand? Make sure you press it down and drag it. So now we go back to PIP, click on PIP, click on your video, then you go to cutout to remove the background. So I'm going to click on cutout. So let's wait for it to remove the background. So you can see that that's removed. So we click on the mark button. So you use your hand to stretch it for the video, for the picture to cover the screen. So I'm going to use my hand to drag it. You can see. So guys, you can see how lovely this background is. So if you are shooting your video, there's something I would like you to correct. I would like to correct. If you're shooting your video, make sure you are using tripod stand. Why? So that it's not going to make your video, your camera to be fluctuating. It's going to make it to stabilize. For this now, I didn't use tripod stand, or I didn't position it in a position. I just used my hand to do the video. So that is why sometimes you can say that it's fluctuating. So this is how to remove your video background. So guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are here to subscribe, and make sure you like this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly type yes in the comment section. So I'm going to click on the mark button here. Now once you are done, the next thing is for you to export your video. So you click on export, then make sure you are exporting at 1080p. So then once I click that, I'm going to click on what? Export. So click on export, and my video is going to be exported directly to my phone gallery. So you can upload your video. So that is going to be the end of today's class. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.